Are you confused between BTech and BCA? Don't worry. This is one of the most common questions for students planning a career in IT and technology. Choosing the right course can define not just your college life, but your career path and future opportunities. Let's start with BTech, Bachelor of Technology. This is a 4-year engineering program designed for students who love technical problem solving. You'll dive deep into subjects like data structures, computer networks, artificial intelligence, cloud computing, and software development. BTech not only builds strong technical knowledge, but also opens doors to research, development, and high-paying tech jobs. Many graduates go on to work in top IT companies, startups, or pursue higher studies like MTech or international programs. However, the workload is heavier and requires consistent effort over 4 years. Now, let's talk about BCA, Bachelor of Computer Applications. This is a 3-year program that focuses on software, applications, and practical IT skills. BCA is ideal for students who want to enter the IT industry faster, learn coding, and work on projects early in their career. BCA graduates can become software developers, web developers, app developers, or data analysts. With internships, certifications, and hands-on projects, BCA can be just as rewarding as BTech. So which is better? The answer depends on your goals and interests. If you want in-depth technical expertise, R&D opportunities, or higher studies, BTech is the way to go. If you want to start working early, focus on coding, and grow in IT industry jobs, BCA can be perfect. But here's the challenge. Choosing the right course is just the first step. You also need guidance on college admissions, choosing the right branch, preparing for interviews, internships, and job placements. This is where Allegiance Educare comes in. Our expert counselors help you choose the right course based on your aptitude, skills, and goals. Get guidance on college admissions and applications. Prepare for coding tests, interviews, and job opportunities. Build a network of mentors and industry connections. By joining Allegiance Educare, you're not just picking a course, you're planning your career path with clarity and confidence. So, whether it's BTech or BCA, the key is making informed choices, building practical skills, and staying consistent. Start today by connecting with Allegiance Educare and take the first step toward a successful tech career.